Hi, so today's tip is about crochet. If you're struggling to start crochet, and a lot of people do, it's because you're trying to deal with so many things at once. So you're holding the hook with one hand, the yarn with the other, you're trying to tension the yarn, and you haven't really got anything to work into because you're just starting your crochet. This crochet scrunchie is a really good starter project. Because you're working around a hair tie, it just kind of helps hold everything in place, gives you a starting point. So you make your slip stitch, you pop your hook in, tighten up, and then you work around the hair tie. So you're going to put your hook through the middle of the hair tie, bring up a loop of yarn, bring it through, and then through the first stitch there to make a slip stitch. Then you're going to chain one, and then you're going to double crochet around. And because you are crocheting around the hair tie, you have like a solid starting place. It makes it a lot easier. If you're looking to learn crochet, our beginners crochet classes are the 25th of June and the 15th of August, and normally every couple of months. And then we've got Yarn Addicts, which is our knit and natter group, on the 11th of July, and that continues every second Thursday of the month. Hopefully we'll see you there.